My name is Krishif. Welcome to Saisha's Krishif's Kingdom.
Hi friends, and this is Saisha's and Krishif's mummy with y'all.
Hi.
So today we are going for Christmas.
Shopping.
Yes, like every year we have a Christmas tree set up at our place, and 25th of December is nearing. So we said let's go shopping, and we'll also take all our friends along with us for Christmas shopping. So let's go.
Let's go.
Reach the market, and all of us have our masks on, and we've chosen to come in the afternoon so that it would be less crowded. So we'll just show you the market area and everything, and then we'll start our shopping. Excited?
Yes, very excited.
Krishiv has forgotten his specs. Okay, chalo. Hi friends, so we are done with our shopping, and now we are going back home.
Yes.
So we are excited to see what all we have purchased and how it will look, and we will share with you all as well.
Yes.
So okay, Saishka and Krishiv, are you all happy?
Very happy.
Okay, so we are ready to decorate a Christmas tree. So we'll share the video. We will do the decorations along with our friends only.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, friends. See you soon.
Bye.
Finally, today is the day when you are going to decorate the
Christmas decoration.
yes, the Christmas tree, and we are going to do the decorations. Like every year, we have a ritual that we actually our family celebrates all the festivals. So and when Saisha was born, we started keeping the Christmas tree the year Saisha was born, and we are so happy that without fail we do it every year. And every year, every night, the 24 nights, Santa Claus comes to our house with yummy goodies and very nice gifts for Saisha Krishiv, and he keeps and he goes away. And morning, Saisha Krishiv both are excited to see them.
Yes, very excited.
Yes. So friends, today finally is a day when we are going to decorate the Christmas tree, and
excited.
Saisha and Krishiv was super excited
Yes.
because we are going to share this complete process with you all, and you all are going to get to see the decorations what you shopped that day. You remember when
Yes.
we had been to the market, and then we came back, we again went, we again came back because we had forgotten the Christmas tree. So finally, today is the day when you are going to decorate, and you all are going to be with us for the
Yes.
decoration. So friends, please join us to decorate the Christmas tree and to welcome Jesus Christ into our house and bless us all, including you all, and have a nice and very happy Christmas in advance. So please, and I'll show you, and we are so happy and excited to show you all the
very
shopping what we have done.
excited.
So here you go. Yes. So these are the things what we have bought, and soon they are going to go on the Christmas tree. So Saisha is so excited to show our Christmas tree to you all. This is a tree what we bought, we purchased. You must have seen the glimpse of it when we were shopping. And so now all these things are going to go on the Christmas tree. Yes. So friends, please come along with us. yes, friends. So thank you for being with us, and we are done with our decorations. And I'm sure you're going to love it because it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
So we have just put the blue lights and just to click some beautiful pictures. So here you go. We'll show you the decorations. Yes. Friends, we are done, and I hope you liked the Christmas tree. We just loved it, and now we are super tired now. The entire day was a very busy
I
day.
want to go on bed and directly.
Actually, we were supposed to shoot this tomorrow, but then we just thought that no, we should do it because tomorrow is again going to be a busy day. Kids have some online projects, some Christmas assignments, and everything is there going on. So we have tomorrow a busy day as well.
And please
So-
share our videos.
My goodness, I don't know from where Krishu is saying share our videos. He just has one sentence to say, share our videos.
And subscribe.
Yes, and subscribe our channel. But we are not going to end this video. Our Christmas, we are going to continue, and we are going to show you our entire Christmas celebration. There is lots in store for kids. We also have played Secret Santa with our family.
Yes.
So we shall share with you all as well. And I hope you like this video.
Yes.
And you all have a very nice and happy Christmas. So see you soon.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
But we are going to meet them on 25th as well.
Yeah.
So this video is going to, maybe we'll make 2 videos then.
Yeah. Part 2, part 1.
Yes, part 1 and part 2. So maybe the celebrations would be in part 2 and the decoration and the process in this part. So I hope you like the video, and do share, subscribe and like our channel. Do put on your comments. I hope we are entertaining you all, and you all are a small part of our family and our. Krishu said something in the middle. Yes, so wish you all a very happy Christmas, and see you all soon. And it's night, and so we all want to go to sleep. And good night. Yes, and we'll have a very busy day tomorrow. So bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.